InDesign is everywhere. It's behind the books and magazines that you read. It's behind brochures, menus, forms, and all the other documents you interact with every single day. And while it doesn't get the attention or the glory that Photoshop and Illustrator often do, InDesign is where all of those things come together. And once you understand how it works, you'll see why it just might be the coolest tool of them all. My name is Khara Plicanic. I'm an author, educator, and designer who has spent decades geeking out on all things Adobe and helping creatives like you turn confusion into confidence. In this class, we'll be learning real-world InDesign. So instead of just thinking short-term and learning the minimum required to get the job done, we're going to be learning how to build documents that are flexible and easy to manage. Together, we'll build a portfolio-worthy collection of real-world documents, starting with a simple event flyer and working our way up to a 12-page magazine layout packed with the kinds of must-know features and techniques that pros use to build documents that don't just look good, but are also well-built. We'll also create fillable and interactive PDF forms, and even a multi-format social media campaign. Each project introduces and reinforces key concepts for working with text and images, from how to use styles, text wrap, and anchored objects, to clipping paths, drop caps, and automated tables of content. When we're done, you're gonna have a portfolio of real-world projects that you can be proud of. This class is for everybody, whether you're brand new and you've never opened InDesign in your life, or maybe you've poked around a little bit and thought, nope. Maybe you're someone who knows enough to be dangerous, but you still feel like you don't truly get it. Either way, you're in the right place. All you need is InDesign. The free trial will work just fine, an adventurous spirit, and a willingness to click on stuff. This isn't about memorization or drudgery. I mean, it's InDesign, not Excel. Am I right? It's about fun, discovery, and empowerment. So, jump in, the water's fine, and let's go.